Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe Math Solver 1117 because in this channel you will find the complete solution of O levels, A levels, IGCSE, GCSE and many others competitive exam. Today's problem is r raised to power 8 minus r square divided by r raised to power 4 minus r square equals 9, and you have to find the value of r. So we will solve this question as, first of all, we will find the numerator and denominator as, take r square is common from this, remaining will be r raised to power 6 minus 1, and in the denominator we will take r square as common, so remaining is r square minus 1. Now this will equals 9. We have r power 6 minus 1 divided by r square minus 1, and that equals 9. Now we will solve this as, it will become r power 6 can be write as r square cube minus 1, and this is also the cube of 1 divided by r square minus 1, that equals 9. Here we can apply the formula of a cube. According to that, a cube minus b cube can be write as r square minus 1 into r power 4 plus r square plus 1 divided by r square minus 1, and that equals 9. R square minus 1 both are cancelled out. We have r power 4 plus r square plus 1, that equals 9. Now you have to find the value of r. For this purpose, first of all, rearrange this equation. You get r power 4 plus r square, 9 minus 1, that is 8. Now we will solve this further. Here we take r square as common, so remaining is r square plus 1, that equals 8. Now we have r square, we have two factors, or we can apply the algebraic formula here, quadratic formula on this, that is, it will become r power 4 minus r square plus r square minus 8 equals 0. We will apply quadratic formula. R square equals minus b means minus 1 plus minus b square means 1 minus 4 of ac. A is 1 and c is minus 8 divided by 2. So r square equals minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 32 divided by 2. So we have, this will equals r square equals minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 32 is 33 divided by 2. After this, r equal, by taking the root on both sides, what will happen to this? We get plus minus root of minus 1 plus minus root of 33 divided by 2. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Keep learning, keep growing, stay tuned.